For building projects with adjustable shelving, the Milescraft Cabinet Mate is the perfect tool to help you drill accurately aligned shelf pin holes consistently time and time again. The Milescraft Cabinet Mate Model 1316 comes complete with a 1/4-inch self-centering spring-loaded shelf pin bit, and the Milescraft Cabinet Mate Model 1366 comes with a 5mm version. In both the Cabinet Mate models 1316 and 1366 include a 1/4-inch and 5mm indexing pin for accurate alignment of holes on longer shelving sides. Both Cabinet Mate models have a built-in storage compartment for storing the shelf pin bits and index pins, and also comes complete with pre-marked hole locations on the body to assist you with laying out locations for concealed hinges and other cabinet hardware quickly and easily on your projects. The Milescraft Cabinet Mate allows you to drill up to 11 holes at a time, centered either 1 7/16 of an inch or 2 1/2 inch distance from the edge without having to readjust its location. Once you've drilled the first hole, insert the appropriate size indexing pin to hold the body of the Cabinet Mate in position, then proceed to drill the remaining holes. If you need to drill more than 11 holes in a row, insert the index pin in the last hole to align the body of the Cabinet Mate in its new position, and then continue drilling the necessary set of holes for your project. The Milescraft Cabinet Mate can be used at different stages of your project's construction, but regardless of which setup your project requires, the included self-centering, spring-loaded shelf pin bit ensures you'll get precisely drilled holes thanks to their preset tension and depth stop. When you're ready to drill matching shelf pin holes parallel to the first set, simply reorient the Cabinet Mate to the other side. When drilling holes prior to assembly of your project, it's easy to align the body of the Cabinet Mate against the edge of the shelf side by orienting the storage cabinet so it's facing down and resting against the edge, and then drilling your shelf pin holes. Because the holes on the body of the Cabinet Mate are designed symmetrical down its length, it doesn't matter which end you start with. Once they're aligned with their adjacent mating shelf pin holes, they'll match up perfectly every time. And to assist you with the proper alignment, the edge of the Cabinet Mate body includes an alignment notch perfectly centered for each hole on the body. To line them up parallel with the first set of holes, draw a line across your board where the first set of holes are to be drilled, and then reference this when setting up for your second set of holes. Once it's in place, repeat the drilling process as before. For assembled projects with either an attached back or face frame, simply press the flat edge of the Cabinet Mate body against the interior surface, align it for the correct starting position, and drill your shelf pin holes as needed on both sides. The Milescraft Cabinet Mate also comes with pre-marked holes that make installing 26mm and 35mm concealed hinges quick and easy every time. To lay out the location of the hinge body on the interior of the cabinet, position the Cabinet Mate in the cabinet opening. Then mark the screw locations of the first set of hinges by using the spring-loaded shelf pin bit to dimple the surface in 2 of the shelf pin alignment holes located 1 7/16 of an inch in from the edge. When using 26mm concealed hinges, mark the location of the hinge cup using the 16.5mm hole. For 35mm concealed hinges, use the 22.5mm hole location. Then once you have the location marked, drill to the required depth and install the hinge following the manufacturer's recommendations. The Milescraft Cabinet Mate is the perfect tool for adjustable shelf and cabinet hardware layout every time.